Hello, lovely people. A very good morning to all of you. You all are once again most welcome to Tutorials Point. Well, we all love to learn English. We all love to learn, or we all love to speak in the most stylish way possible, isn't it? Which is why in this video, I have, brought some of the most exciting words for you all to learn so that you all can learn it and use it in your daily life. Well, let's start and learn about brand new English words which you must learn this week. Well, this week is going to be really different and exciting for you because you are going to learn new, different and fun-filled words which you can use in your daily language. What are we waiting for? Let's go ahead. Okay, well, the first fun and exciting word is awesome sauce. Well, what is awesome sauce? Well, awesome sauce is a word which is used to describe something that is really amazing, right? So something which you feel is really amazing and is really exciting to have or work with is called an awesome sauce. On the contrary, something that is completely the opposite of exciting, fun and adorable is called as a weak sauce, right? So awesome sauce. So my new bike is an awesome sauce, right? Or his latest movie was actually a weak sauce. So you can use this word to basically describe something as good or bad. Well, it is really fun and exciting. Start using it. Okay, well, butt dial or pocket dial. Well, this is a very funny incident which we all might have encountered sometime or other in our lives. Well, there are times wherein we have our phone right in the back pocket and, only because of the fact that we are moving or working here and there, and because of the pressure, there are numbers which get dialed and we don't even realize. Or it might also happen with a touchscreen phone, right? You might not even realize, but lying in your pocket, your phone, maybe because of the touch or something, it would have dialed to so many different people without you even realizing. Well, it is a very funny situation, but yes, it happens. And because it happens, hence it is precisely called as butt dial or pocket dial. Well, next time it happens, this situation happens to you, you know what to call it and how to describe it. Well, you could use it anytime in your language. He butt dialed me yesterday, or I have butt dialed so many people, or I have pocket dialed so many people unintentionally or unknowingly, right? So, well, very funny situation, hence a funny word to basically describe the same situation. Okay, well, rage quit. We all love to see and play sports, right? Sometimes we are so much into gaming, or sometimes a person who is playing sports is so lost into the game that if throughout that game, if there are certain hurdles which repeatedly occur, or if you're not able to cross a certain level, it creates so much resentment, so much frustration that you just you just rage quit the entire game. You just shut it off. You just leave it and go away, right? You just quit it. So, and you are quitting it in a lot of frustration, a lot of anger, a lot of rage. So that entire phenomena is known as rage quit. So, I sometimes rage quit PUBG while playing it, right? So PUBG again is a very common game. We all know that. And not just that, there are many other games. It could be real-time sports in the field. It could be your normal gaming on your laptop or on your phone or on your your smart television or whatever. But that situation where we leave a game in complete frustration because we're not able to sort of cross the hurdle or something is known as rage quit. So most of the times he rage quits his games because he's not able to cross the hurdles. So you could use it anytime in your language if you are faced with a similar situation. Okay, well, mic drop. So there might be situations wherein you have been faced with certain questions, or you are presenting something in front of so many people and you have to give your best performance and you leave the best for the last. You just end the entire performance with the you concluded in the best way possible. So that phenomena of the last, when you are able to complete the entire situation in the best way possible, just like a star, and you finish the entire event like a star, is known as mic drop. So the way he fielded the questions was amazing, but his response to the last very question was a mic drop. So mic drop basically means an awe-struck performance or riveting performance, which especially is the ultimate thing. There is nothing after that. It's the best answer that anyone could have given, or it was the best performance that anyone could have given, or no one could have faced the situation in that particular way. So that is a mic drop. So if it has happened to you anytime, or if it happens to you anytime in future, use this word to describe that situation. Okay, MX. Now, what is MX? Now, this is an amazing term which has come into use, and instead of just designating or categorizing people into Mr., Miss or Mrs. or whatever, because sometimes people, you have a complete right to your privacy. You might not want to display your gender, and you might not want to tell anyone whether you are married or you're not married. So what is the exact word which is being used in that situation? Well, that is MX. Instead of writing MS or MR or MRS before your name, you can use MX, and this is an amazing concept which is introduced in the industry very, very recently, and it is amazing. So next time you happen to work somewhere, you have full right to ask anybody to introduce this option instead of the regular cliched options which we had for such a long time. Okay, snackable. Now, what is snackable? Well, we all love to binge on snacks, don't we? Now, what is a snack? Now, snack is a food which is, a sort of a quick food which helps to relieve hunger, or a quick small amount of food which helps to relieve hunger, sort of thing, right? So snack is anything which is very, very easily consumable, which is quickly and easily consumable, right? So snackable, any content also which is quickly and easily consumable and understandable is also known as snackable. It is not just something that is associated with your food, but also with it could be with your content, the content that you are displaying, or any information that you are trying to pass on. He framed the information in a very, very snackable manner. Hence, people were able to very quickly, skim through the entire information. So that is what is meant by snackable. So quick, easily consumable, and comprehensible information is also known as snackable information. Okay, well, hangry. What is hangry? The latest word with so much swag is hangry. Well, hangry is sort of a mixture of hungry plus angry. So what does hunger plus anger make you? It turns you into something completely like this, isn't it? So if you are in such a mood wherein you are hungry plus you're angry, in short, you are completely frustrated and irritated, that is the time when you would be called as hangry. So I'm hangry right now, do not mess up with me, just give me food and go away. So you might want to use it next time you are hungry plus angry. So a better sort of, a word which is going to express your frustration to the fullest. Well, these were all the trendy words and the modern words and the amazing words which you definitely should be learning this week. I will see you again with another amazing bunch of information for you all. Till that time, have a good day and keep learning with Tutorials Point and Tutorix.